do you know what bothered me? That we have changed the terminology today. We don't know what to believe, what kind of sect we are. Our children, they began to be educated about who they are, if they're a boy or a girl. You know, I love Gary. I love him. I love my son-in-law. When I say I love you, Gary, I'm straight, okay? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at Brother Brown. Descriptions of the word of terminology. This is the way that the word think. Hey, listen to me, drug addicts, ex-drug addicts, or drug addicts. Not a druggie or alcoholic, but a person who has problem with substance of abuse. Otra. And excuse me, don't judge me. Not a glutton, but a person with eating disorder. This is psychologists and psychiatrists. I love this because I'm involved with this. Not a criminal, but antisocial. Not sin, but lack of error. Do not assume responsibility because you are a product of your own circumstances. How many excuses are we going to give? There's no absolute value, only relative values. And I like this. Do not discipline children. Reason with them. And let her be a little brat. Social values are overturned by right to privacy and right to intimacy, not responsible for your own addiction. And if we begin to talk like this, then we have to use meology.